How to enable guest mode on Google Chrome. Hi everyone, this is Kiran. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will learn how we can enable guest mode on Google Chrome. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up Google Chrome in your device. After that, navigate to top right corner, and at the top, there is this profile icon just in front of the three dots icon. So click on it. After you do that, here you will have various options. So at the bottom, there is an option that says open guest profile, and then click on it. Now you're browsing as a guest and you have enabled guest mode on Google Chrome. Here it says pages you view in this window won't appear in the browser history, and they won't leave other traces like cookies on the computer after you close all the open guest windows. So in this way, you can enable guest mode on Google Chrome. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.